Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have another smartwatch from Mobvoi called TicWatch GTX, which is a budget smartwatch. So let's get started with its full review. As always, everything is time coded for your ease to browse around various topics. If it's your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing as I do regular videos for various smartwatches like this one, smartphone reviews, tech tutorials and much more. You'll find a dedicated playlist for budget smartwatches, be sure to check it out. And if you want, you can support my channel by becoming a member at a monthly charge with all the perks that I'll offer. Click this join button to check out all the perks of becoming a member. Also check out some cool merch under the store tab and check out as well as subscribe to my second YouTube channel for mobile friendly short video content. I have reviewed a lot of smartwatches by Mobvoi. The recent one that I reviewed was the latest TicWatch Pro 3, which you can find linked up in the card section and at the end of this video. Well, today I have a budget smartwatch from Mobvoi to review, and it's called TicWatch GTX, which surprisingly only cost 80 Canadian dollar. By the way, you can use the link in the description of this video to get 5% off on any purchase you make from Mobvoi's website, including the TicWatch GTX. Make sure to use that if you intend to purchase from Mobvoi's website. Alright, with the price aside, let's start with the review with unboxing, setup process, mobile app review, features and specs, fitness and sleep tracking, and my final verdict. In terms of unboxing, there is nothing special. It came in a box like this one. At the back there are all the highlighted features like 7 to 10 days of battery life, which is quite impressive. IP68 swimproof, personalized watch face, which is my favorite, sleep tracking, 14 workout modes, metal frame, 24/7 heart rate tracking, music control. That's a lot of features, so let's go ahead and test them out. Inside the box you'll find the TicWatch GTX, its charger, and the user manual. Now the setup process is relatively simple. You first have to download the Mobvoi's app that is available for free on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Then you create an account with Mobvoi. Now on the top right corner of the mobile app you'll find a plus icon where you'll find the TicWatch GTX, which will open a barcode scanner. Now when you turn on the watch for the first time, the watch will display a barcode. Just scan it and within few seconds the watch will be paired with the mobile app. Speaking of mobile app, let's briefly review the mobile app. You will see your connected watch with the fitness statistics like calorie, steps and distance, which you can elaborate by clicking on them. Here you'll find heart rate, sleep, exercise, high intensity exercise and noise. When you click on the More tab, you can see more details of that particular tab with a calendar that will highlight the days when the data was recorded. Going back, you can also browse all these statistics by days from this calendar icon on the top right. Now just above the calendar icon, you will see the account icon where you can update your health information like your height, weight, set goals, workout time, activity, and link third-party apps like Google Fit, Strava, Runkeeper, and Apple Health. Now going all the way back, under the fitness tab you'll find Watchface Center, which is my favorite. Despite of this watch being paired with my iPhone, you still get a lot of options to choose from, which is pretty cool for a budget smartwatch. I have reviewed a lot of smartwatches on this channel, and like this UMI Digi budget smartwatch, most of them don't have multiple watch face options. By the way, I have reviewed this UMI Digi smartwatch that you can get it for only $40, and its review is linked up in the card section. You can check it out once you're done watching this one. The cherry on top is you can even customize your own watch face by selecting a background image as well as fonts, colors, which is pretty cool. Not just that, you can directly toggle between 6 watch faces from the watch by click holding on the existing watch face, and then you'll get all the other watch face to choose from. Going back on the mobile app, under the watch face center you'll find smart mode where you can turn on auto heart rate detection, set alarms. Sadly, you can't set alarm directly from the watch. Turn on tilt to wake and do not disturb mode. Next is smart reminder where you can toggle on or off calls, SMS notifications, vibration alert, app alert, and sedentary reminder. Here is where you can even set a custom time range for reminders every 16 minutes. This is very cool option to have on a budget smartwatch. Going back under the more setting, there is Find Your Watch, which is another cool feature to have. This will make the watch vibrate so you can locate it in case if you have misplaced it. Obviously, it has to be in the Bluetooth range. The screen on time, which is to the max of 15 seconds, 24-hour clock format, language, temperature unit. So that's it with the mobile app. Now that we have talked about the mobile app, let's have a close-up look at the watch itself. Now for under $80, I didn't expect this good of a wristband. It's a durable 22mm TPU wristband which gives you a comfortable wearing experience in any situation, and it's waterproof. The watch itself is IP68 water and sweat proof, and it's pool swimming suitable. The body is metallic, which I did not expect, but having a metallic body does feel premium, and it's metal all around, not just on the side. Well, at the back there is the heart rate sensor as well as the charging pin. Speaking of charging, it has the proprietary magnetic charger, which is not that bulky, but for the price you pay I don't expect to have a wireless charging. There are 2 physical buttons and no rotating functionality on any of those buttons. Now let's quickly go through all the specs. This smartwatch is powered by RLC8762C 40 MHz chipset with only 160 KB of RAM and 16 MB of internal memory, which quite frankly is expected for the price you pay, but it indeed is sufficient for what this watch has to offer. There is no Wi-Fi, no microphone, no built-in speaker, no GPS, no internal music or image storage. Again, all this is expected at this price point. What was not expected, but they somehow managed to include it at this price range, is Bluetooth 5.0, which is obviously a plus point versus the older Bluetooth 4.0 version, as well as the IP68 swim-proof rating and the all-around metallic body. The watch dimension is 48.7mm by 11mm. The screen is 1.28-inch TFT color display with 240 pixel resolution. The battery size is only 200 mAh, but this tiny battery size is enough to power this watch for 7 days on a regular usage and 10 days on power usage. It does take a while to charge though. For me it took an hour to charge it full from about 25%. With all the specs aside, let's see the navigation and the menu layout. So to enter the menu, press the top right button. You get notifications where you can read all the notifications but can't interact except delete, which will delete the notification from the notification tray and not the mobile phone. This smartwatch is paired to my iPhone, but the notification works about the same on an Android device with no ability to reply or interact. You can also access the notification from the main screen by swiping up from the bottom. Next in the menu is Tick Exercise, where you'll find 14 workout options. When you click on any of them, you will get a prompt to start that workout. To go back from any page, just swipe right. You can quickly access all these workouts from the main screen by pressing the bottom right button, which is convenient. Next is Tick Pulse, where you'll find the heart rate with your highest and the lowest as well as a graph. Next in the menu is Tick Sleep, where it will show the total duration, light as well as deep sleep duration. Next is Tick Health, where you get the classic tricolor ring that includes the calorie burned, steps and distance. Moving on, it's the music control, which works pretty good with iPhone and Android, but sadly you only get play or pause, next or previous track options. There is no volume control. It would be really nice to have at least the volume control. Anyways, next is stopwatch, then timer, where you get preset options from 1 to 60 minutes. My personal favorite is weather, which works like a charm, and you can also check weather forecast for up to 3 days. Next is flashlight, which also works great and it's good to have it. Next is Find My Phone, which I think every smartwatch must have it, and on this watch it works great as well. Lastly, under settings you can adjust brightness, reset, power off and about. Now from the main screen, when you slide down, you can access quick settings like night mode or do not disturb mode, which is so good and easily available, power saving mode, Find My Phone and settings. Now on the main screen, you can see if your watch is connected or not, battery level, time, date, day, and steps. When you swipe right or left, you can access Tick Health, Tick Exercise, weather, timer, stopwatch, sleep, and heart rate, which is good to have. With all that said, let's talk about sleep and fitness tracking and then wrap this video up with my final say. Now with sleep tracking, I have been wearing this watch for a few nights, and most of the nights the watch did not record my sleep. Only one night was recorded. As you can see on this mobile app, it did accurately detect start and end time of my sleep, but it was a bit off and not right on the dot. It did record awake time, light and deep sleep time, but it failed to record REM sleep, also known as rapid eye movement, and it recorded the heart rate throughout. So in terms of sleep tracking, I'm not that impressed. It's not accurate compared to other budget smartwatches. I recently reviewed this MorePro V19 fitness tracker, which is only $60 and has ECG, SpO2, and did an awesome job at sleep tracking every single time. Check out its full review linked up in the card section once you're done watching this one. Now about fitness tracking, to be truthful, I am sad to say that this is the worst smartwatch both for running and strength training. So on 17th, I did a 29-minute strength training workout, and on 14th, I did a 48-minute workout. Now on both of those days, I did wear my Apple Watch on the other hand. So let's compare the data. This watch shows only 143 calorie and an average heart rate of 118 beats per minute. And the highest heart rate was only 139 beats per minute. For the same workout on the Apple Watch Series 6, it recorded 515 calories, average heart rate of 159 beats per minute with a maximum heart rate of about 188 beats per minute, which does make sense as I know I was lifting very heavy weights. Here are some live images that I took during the workout, and you can pause the video to see the TicWatch GTX feels like it's some sort of a gimmick. Its recordings are not even remotely close to Apple Watch, and it's not just one time. This happened every single time. So in short, I will never recommend this watch for fitness tracking, period. So now it's time for my final say. This TicWatch GTX does look good. It has cool features like custom watch face, good design, metallic body, functional apps like Find My Phone, Find My Watch, flashlight, timer, stopwatch, night mode, adjustable brightness, color display, shows notifications, shows incoming call with option to decline or answer the call. All these features are cool, but this watch really sucks at fitness tracking, heart rate tracking, sleep tracking. So the choice is yours. If you want to spend $80 for aesthetics and few functional apps, then this will be a good option. But I would rather pick up this $40 UMI Digi smartwatch as it did good job at exercise tracking. It had the SpO2 on top of the basic needed apps. Or I would just pick up this MorePro V19 fitness tracker as it's a complete package for just 60 Canadian dollar. It has good ECG, SpO2, blood pressure, awesome sleep tracking, calls and notifications, and much more. So I personally would not use this watch as I find there are better options for the price you pay. But again, your opinion may be different than mine. But at least this video will give you a complete insight of what to expect. Comment down below what are your thoughts about this TicWatch GTX. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot. Also follow me on my other social media network for early preview to upcoming videos and free giveaways. Links are in the description of all my videos. Thanks so much for watching and take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one.